We're between a sonder and a hoof.
He wants to hoof it. I want to sonder it. We're on a hike, so good morning. We just started it. It's called, I don't even know if you can see me. The sun's behind me, but
Waihee!
Waihee! Or Waihee! Or Waihee! Or Waihee! We have no idea how you pronounce it. It's a Hawaiian name. It's pretty cool. And it's about 4 miles long. And it's a beautiful morning. We just watched the sunrise over the ocean because the trail actually opens at 7. We're here a little bit early. And I'm already out of breath. But I think it's going to be a really fun trail. It's the Waihee Ridge Trail here on Maui. And you definitely can't see me, but now you can. And wow, look at that view already. It's gorgeous. Haleakala, volcano over there. That way goes around the west side of Maui. And this way is up. It's pretty steep. Doesn't look that steep at all in the video. It's a tough first 5 minutes. It's really steep.
I just finished puking over.
Oh, not that bad. But it is steep. Listen to the sound of the little critters. Yeah, honeybees. That's not honey, it's some kind of tree sap. Wow, that's a gorgeous view. Feels like we're in Jurassic Park. It's so jungly, tropical. Ah, a raptor, run! Brrr. I'm just kidding.
Oh, I thought you were serious.
Yeah, you better run. You don't have to be faster than the raptor, you just have to be faster than me. Double pine tree right here, the little marker point. We should be able to see it from up high. There's a double pine tree marker. Oh. Meow meow! It is steep. It's kind of slippery, a little bit muddy, but it's super hot. But the views are absolutely amazing, and they're worth every single step. Hello up there! Yay! We made it to the top! And now the clouds have rolled in. What a beautiful hike. Hopefully they roll back out again. I'm so red in the face right now. It's insane. It's so hot, but it was really, really worth it. Although, when the clouds go, it'll be even prettier. Brought a little picnic. We have some banana bread, just some turkey slices, and the good stuff. Gotta love a picnic. Come on, clouds, go away. Now we're completely socked in. The clouds have cleared now. I've had a little picnic, and it is beautiful up here.
We made really good time though.
I know, we did it in an hour, which is pretty quick. It's all uphill. There's no flat. And it's pretty muddy, slippy trail. So down is going to be very interesting. Oh, it's gorgeous. I wish I could show you the full depth, and hopefully it captures it a little bit on camera, but it is really pretty up here. Going down is pretty fun. It's hard to go slow.
No, I know why.
Almost ate it. That's what we need to bring next time. We'll just ride that bad boy up here. Maybe down. I think down may be even harder. It's quite steep. Oh look! There's a double pine tree. I'm back down again. going for a hike in Hawaii. Fun, but very hot. Woo!
Back in the car.
We're back in the car, we made it! That was so much fun. Going downhill was a lot faster than going uphill. I felt like I was sprinting the whole...
I like going uphill better though.
Yeah.
My knees were getting sore.
I prefer the up too. Oh, it's hot in the car though. Alright, let's get some AC on and go and jump in the swimming pool. Woohoo! Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.